Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to add watermark in Pages on Mac. So I'm inside Pages iCloud, right? What I'm going to do next, I'm going to just add the text here at the top, right? You could add whatever you want, but in my case, I'm going to just keep it this way because they already added an example. Type to enter text, and I could just lower the opacity here, right? And I could put it whatever place that I want, okay? Maybe between texts, between articles, journals, whatever, just to keep the copyright, right? So people can't steal your work, right? So you can also minimize here, right? And take it to whatever place you want, right? So yeah, use the opacity here, and basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.